Can Vizio TVs be mounted? Yes, Vizio TVs can be mounted on a wall using a compatible TV mount. Most Vizio TVs follow the VESA, Video Electronic Standards Association, mounting pattern, making them compatible with a wide range of wall mounts. Mounting a Vizio TV helps save space, improves viewing angles, and enhances the overall home entertainment setup. 1. VESA compatibility and mounting requirements. Vizio TVs are designed with VESA-compliant mounting holes on the back, which determine the size of the compatible wall mount. Users need to check the VESA pattern measurement, usually given in millimeters, such as 200 by 200 millimeters or 400 by 400 millimeters, and choose a wall mount that matches these dimensions. The weight capacity of the mount should also support the TV's weight. 2. How to mount a Vizio TV on a wall. Step 1. Check the TV's user manual or back panel for the VESA mounting pattern and purchase a compatible wall mount. Step 2. Use a stud finder to locate secure wall studs, ensuring the mount is anchored properly. If mounting on drywall, use appropriate anchors for added stability. Step 3. Attach the wall bracket to the wall using a drill and secure screws. Step 4. Connect the mounting brackets to the back of the Vizio TV using the provided screws. Step 5. Carefully lift the TV and hook it onto the wall bracket, making sure it is securely locked in place. 3. Choosing the right type of wall mount. Vizio TVs are compatible with different types of wall mounts. Fixed mount keeps the TV flush against the wall for a sleek look. Tilting mount allows vertical angle adjustments to reduce glare. Full motion mount offers the most flexibility, enabling swivel, tilt, and extension movements for the best viewing angles. 4th, cable management and setup. To maintain a clean and organized look, users can use cable management solutions such as cable covers or in-wall cable routing. Before mounting, it's important to plan for power outlets, HDMI cables, and other connections to ensure easy access once the TV is mounted. 5. Safety considerations and professional installation. Proper installation is crucial for safety. Using the correct mounting hardware, securing the mount to wall studs, and ensuring the TV is level can prevent accidents. If unsure about installation, hiring a professional ensures a safe and secure setup. Vizio TVs are wall mountable, provided the correct VESA-compatible mount is used. By choosing the right mount type, securing it properly, and managing cables efficiently, users can enhance their home entertainment experience with a sleek and space-saving setup.